just going to show you how it removes all these little tiny pitted rust spots with the Scotch Brite disc. Alright, so there we have it. It hasn't quite removed all the bits, but if I go over it again, it should remove more. You don't really want to focus on the one spot too long, otherwise the metal gets too hot and it will cause warping. So I'm just going to continue this all along the tops of the guards, on the bonnet and the roof and the boot. So it's probably going to take me half a day, I reckon, to do all this. Anyway, I'll get stuck into it. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the top of the guard. I haven't completely finished down here and stuff. Gonna have to focus some attention on getting the grille out, and I'll start to pull out this chrome trim stainless. But yeah, so the top of the guard, it does look pretty good, but there's a few spots that haven't come out, as you can see there. So I'm hoping the rust converter will do the rest of the job. But yeah, it has come up pretty good. I can probably go over a few spots a bit more, clean it up a bit better. Just a quick run over it. Yeah, I gotta pull this aerial out. Yeah, next step I'll probably start trying to pull this trim off. Get the trim off, get the grill out, and continue around the front. And I'll do the bonnet, and then I'll probably rust convert the whole front to help stop that rust coming back through. Well, this is going to be pretty fun, I reckon. Check out these bolts. Just sprayed them with WD-40. Just ran out, so I have to get some more. But yeah, they're not looking too flash. Anyway, we'll get done doing it. Alright, so I've got the grill out. Didn't go the way that I really wanted it to go. I was going to pull it out from these brackets just here, but as soon as I went to turn the socket, it pretty much just broke the clip straight up. So I end up undoing the grill from these points here, a couple points inside. Not really that hard, but never pulled one apart before, so you got to figure out where to undo it all. And then about 30 seconds into pulling it out, I realised that this part here is not actually part of the grill. So now I've got to pull that out, pull that off, and then I can clean up the metal properly. But yeah, as you can see, if you look in here, it's inside the engine bay. How rusty it is. We'd already chopped this apart a few years ago in here. But yeah, I think this will be my first plan of attack when it comes to rust, will be the engine bay. So I've just pulled out these two air tanks, which usually sit pretty much right up under here on both sides. So I think it's to operate the door locks. They're air, like vacuum operated central locking, basically. So yeah, basically the whole car runs vacuum lines through it for the doors. I'm pretty sure there's a couple other things that are vacuum operated in the car. I'm not 100% sure on what though. But yeah, if you look under the dashes, the vacuum lines that go absolutely everywhere. So I think the plan will be to delete them, which I've already pulled them out, and probably just have electronic central locking in the car. And my plan is to put, like I've said in the previous video, the electric power steering and electric aircon pump. So I'm probably going to mount those up, one on either side, aircon on one side and power steering on the other. And it should clean up the engine a lot once I pull some of this stuff off the motor, make it look a bit tidier. Just put some rust kill on, just going to wipe it on here. Probably put way too much on, but we'll just let it do its thing. Still to get this aerial out, which I'll probably do another day. Oh, I've got so much on this road, I might go wipe it somewhere. Oh, here we go, we'll just do it on the bonnet. Or hood, as the Americans would say. So I've got the grill off, and that on the top, Scotch brite at the top here. Just trying to figure out how to get this stainless trim off. Doesn't appear to be any screws under it, so it might be just clipped. But I think I'll do some more research before I start trying to pull it off. And the grill. This would have to be the heaviest grill I've ever lifted. It would have to be about, I don't know, I'd say 15 kilos. I mean, it might be more, might be less. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, it is quite heavy. Anyway, that'll probably do it for this video. And if you liked this, please subscribe. And we'll see you next video. Thanks.